I won't go over in details, but give you the concepts here. So we have done this, and we know this is a cantilever beam, and this one has the equivalent spring constant equal to 3EI LQ. Okay. If without considering the mass of the beam, but also if you remember in our week one of the lectures during the first week, the week after Labor Day, and if we consider the beam has the mass, okay, and we have one example there, and we have a KEQ including the mass of the spring, and that one the KEQ, again, for this case, is the same, 3EI over LQ. And for the mass MEQ, because the beam has the mass, so MEQ, we have done earlier, is equal to M plus 33,140 MS. Okay, how to obtain this term? I would say refer to our lectures, probably in our first week. Okay, there's one lecture I think we have a discussion here. So basically, this question is similar to the previous example. Previous example is we using a lump spring, and this one we consider the continuum beam. So basically here, if we want to get a further detailed consideration, the coefficient is about this, okay? And this number, if you do that calculate, about 30 divided by 100 is about the 27%. And earlier in the previous example, the contribution of the spring, we have coefficient 1/3. Yeah, so that is the kind of interesting comparison providing to you here.